Welcome to A1 Septic Tank Service. A1 is not the best because it is the oldest. It is the oldest because it is the best. Today, in our session together, we will explore the process of mechanical rejuvenation. Here, as we focus in on the ground above the septic tank, we see standing effluent, a warning sign of an impending problem. As we explore further, we can see the cleanout is full of effluent and is not draining. We start the process of mechanical rejuvenation by locating the leach field, flagging the center, and probing to determine the width and the depth of the leach field. The machine is then put in place, and hydraulic rams push an 1.25 inch hollow probe into the ground about 2 feet from the sidewall of the leach field. When the ground gets tough, a jackhammer can be used to assist the probe being placed in the ground. Once the probe reaches the depth of the leach field, the machine injects 300 psi of air into the ground. The result is a refracturing of the sidewall of the leach field trench. See the ground lift under the machine as air is injected and pressure is released through the previously punched holes. The probe is then retrieved from the ground and the machine is placed for another injection. As the probe is retrieved, note that we can see the large holes in the bottom that the air is injected through. The probe is then lifted again, so the machine can be positioned for another injection. For best results, injections should be along both sides of the leach field trench wall. Although it's not a permanent fix, mechanical rejuvenation is an effective tool in restoring the leach field so it will accept water again. And to further increase the chances of success, try mechanical rejuvenation along with bacterial aeration installed inside the septic tank. We will further explore bacterial aeration in another video. So to recap our time together, when you have a leach field problem, evident by effluent not draining from the septic tank or effluent surfacing in the leach field area, mechanical rejuvenation can reopen the pores in the earth that allow the effluent from the septic tank to percolate into the ground once again. At a fraction of the cost of a new leach field, In the time span of 1 to 2 days, A1 Septic Tank Service can perform a mechanical rejuvenation on your leach field. No heavy equipment tearing up valuable landscaping. No cost to re-landscape sensitive areas around your home. Just the peace of mind knowing that immediately your sinks and showers will drain. Immediately your toilet will flush. All thanks to mechanical rejuvenation provided by A1 Septic Tank Service. So call A1 Septic Tank Service at 1-800-538-8820. Once again, 1-800-538-8820. Upon examining the same cleanout the following day after rejuvenation, we can see that there is no standing effluent inside the pipe. And upon examining the earth above the septic tank once again, we can see that the effluent has receded back down into the ground. Thank you for joining us on this session on mechanical rejuvenation, and thank you for choosing A1 Septic Tank Service. Thank you again for choosing A1 Septic Tank Service. A1 Septic Tank Service is not the best because it is the oldest. It is the oldest because it is the best.